Okay.
Oh, you're getting it. Do you want me to move it over? Alright.
Or turn it around. Because it's always easier to...
So,
yeah. See, and then you always watch it, because if it goes that way, you have to pull back. If it, if it goes too far forward, you have to pull it back to stop it from going forward.
okay, fly. So I'll do the.
So if it's flying, let me get it in the air. See, right now I'm trying to. Yeah. What you have to do is constantly move your finger to keep it level. And if you don't, okay, it's too close. No, you're...
Oh. Why he always?
That's the... It's because the way with the propeller spinning, it causes the helicopter to move away too. Okay, battery's dead. See, the battery's dead, so go ahead and pull that down. So now then you can turn this off. Pull the battery
Were you saying
out.
hi, Mom?
Nope. Hi.
Oh, 不是我.
He was after you, Timmy.
I know, I said do not kill me.
Good. Good job. Good reaction.
Oh.
Yeah.
Good one.
Good job.
I know it's quickly to control it. Not
Oh,
so-
okay.
I don't know. I just
It,
oh yeah.
oops.
Well, my goodness.
It was facing me.
Do you know what my dad used to say about excuses?
One excuse is just as good as another.
So that's how you deal with a baby? That's what your flight instructor told you to do? Alright. I was almost able to catch it.
But if you fly very high, how do you can slowly and
You give it very little, you give it less power,
I know, but
but yeah. See, like this. Now I want to go and bring it down.
yeah.
Let's see, I just give it a tiny bit less power.
I'll try to catch it this time. Caught it. Okay. I love how Eclipse is just watching it. Watching from a safe distance. Wow. Wow.
Oh yeah, Dad. You're gonna get something on it.
Okay, cool. Okay. Got it.
Now then, hold it like this, Timmy.
Oh. Okay.
Oh, I can't.
Okay.
Alright. I want to catch it, and then let me stop it, and then let me try to take off from your hand by...
Oh, I see.
So go ahead and...
Hey. So you want me to catch it?
Yeah, now then just hold it.
You got it. Nice. How much time do we have left on it? Oh, 18 seconds. Make it count, Dad. We have 14 seconds left. Well, you gave me a show.